Now let us see the first one, while loop, and let us understand the syntax of it. In while loop, the syntax is, the first one is initialization. While we need to write in the lower case only. While, open the bracket, within that we are going to write the condition. While condition, close the bracket, and within the curly braces we are going to write the statements. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. What are all the statements we need to execute? We are going to write it in the particular block. Now, once we write statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, immediately we need to also write the increment or decrement operator. That is increment or decrement. Followed by close the compound statement, that is curly braces. Right? This is how the while loop works. Let us see one example program. Now let us see one more example. The problem statement associated with this example is to check whether a given integer is palindrome or not. So first let us see one example. What do you mean by palindrome number? Let me take one number, 121. So 121, if you read this number from left to right and left to right, and if you read this same number from right to left, again we are getting the same number. Any number we read from left to right or right to left, we should get the same number, that is original number. Such numbers we are going to call it as palindrome numbers. Now let me write the code for it in order to check whether a given number is palindrome number or not. Hash include stdio.h int main. Here I am initializing some identifiers, number, next reminder, next I require sum equal to 0, next I am using one temporary variable. Printf, enter the number which I am asking an input from the user. Scanf %d address of number. So the identifier name I have used as num, you should also use num. In printf, it is just a display message asking to the user. Here we are writing our temporary variable where I am storing my original number. While num not equal to 0, reminder equal to given number mod 10. I'll be getting the units position of number. Next sum is equal to sum into 10 plus reminder. Next num equal to num divided by 10. So you can remember one thing. In the earlier example, you have seen how to reverse a given number. The same logic is working here. No much difference. If you watch closely, the two programs, they are nearly same. But what is the expectation of the end user? So in the earlier example, the expectation was whether a given number is being reversed and printed or not. But as part of this example, we need to check whether the given number is palindrome or not. So in order to do that, it is a decision making kind of thing where we need to use if else. If temp is double equal to sum. So what is this double equal to sign? The double equal to sign, which comes under the relational operators, it is checking for the equality, that is LHS equal to RHS. Only then the condition is true. Printf, the given number %d is a palindrome number. So this is what the message we are going to display. Else, give a tab space. This is how the code readability will be very good if you use a proper indentation. The given number %d is not a palindrome number. So here I need to pass the original number where I have stored it, temp. Next, return 0. Now if you can watch the code closely, comparing with the reverse of a given number, till this particular step it is same. The only thing is, according to the expectation of the end user, you are modifying and you are writing this if and else statements. Now let me execute this code and check whether a given number is palindrome or not. Let me give the input. I am giving the first input according to our example 121. As soon as I enter, you are going to get a message. The given number 121 is a palindrome number. So let me trace the steps internally. The given number is 121. In the first iteration, 121 not equal to 0. The condition is true. If the condition is true, control enters into this particular loop and it should execute all these three statements. The first statement is reminder equal to num mod 10, that is 121 mod 10. The reminder is 1. Next, sum is equal to sum into 10 plus reminder. The previous sum value is 0. 0 into 10 is 0 plus reminder value is 1. Now sum value is 1. Sum value is updated with 1. Next, num is equal to num by 10. Num equal to, the num value is 121. 121 divided by 10, that is 12. Now going for the second iteration, is 12 not equal to 0? Condition is true. If condition is true, again it should execute all these three statements. Reminder equal to 12 mod 10. So the 12 mod 10 output is, or the result for this is 2, which is stored in reminder. Sum is equal to, what is the earlier sum value? Earlier sum value is 1. So 1 into 10, it is 10, plus what is the reminder value? The reminder value we got it as 2, that is 12 mod 10, we got the reminder value as 2. What is sum value? Earlier sum value is 1. 1 into 10 is 10 plus 2, it is 12. Now the sum value is updated as 12. Num is equal to num by 10. 12 by 10. 12 by 10 is, it is 1. Now num value is 1. Going for the third iteration, 1 not equal to 0. Condition is true. Again it should execute these three statements. Reminder equal to 1 mod 10. 1 mod 10 is 1. Now reminder is 1. Sum is equal to sum into 10. The earlier sum value is 12. 12 mod 10 is, 12 into 10 is 120. 120 plus reminder is 1. 120 plus 1 is 121. Now sum value is 121. Next, num is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is 0. Now going for the fourth iteration, 0 not equal to 0. Condition is failed. Then we are going to come out of this loop and execute this particular state. As we all know that the temp value is the original number what we have saved, that is 121. Now 121 double equal to, what is the sum value? We got 121. Is 121 double equal to 121? Condition is absolutely correct. Then we are going to print the output of the if condition part, that is the given number %d, which is 121, is a palindrome number. When if condition is executed, then your control will never go to the else part. Please do remember this. Once again, I'll try to execute with another number. Let me give the number as 123. Now 123, if you reverse it, we get 321, which is not equal to the original number. Now you're going to get the output as the given number 123 is not a palindrome number. So this is the output, you got it. 121, if you reverse it, we are going to get the same number, whereas 123, if you reverse it, we get 321, which is not equal to the original number. That is the reason why we got it as the given number 123 is not a palindrome number. So this is how we need to find whether a given number is palindrome or not.